Okay, so here first example is temperature conversion. Okay, so here I'm going to define one function convert temperature. Here I'm going to write arguments or arguments, okay, parameter. So temp, this is our first parameter, and unit of it, this is our second parameter. Okay, here this is the colon. Now you can also use doc string uh, for explaining this function. This function convert temperature between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, C means Celsius, F means Fahrenheit. Okay, now I am going to define condition if unit equals to capital C. Okay, then it return temperature. If unit equals to C, then it return temperature multiply with 9 by 5. Okay, this is just formula when we are going to convert Celsius to the Fahrenheit. Okay, so 9 divided by 5 plus 32. Okay, so here I need to write Celsius to, this is S, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, now if unit equals to, in double quotes I have F, then it will return this formula, return temperature minus 32 into 5 by 9. Okay, this is formula for, this formula is for Fahrenheit. I'm going to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, else it will return none. And here we can print convert temperature 25 degree Celsius, capital C. Here I am going to print again, print convert temperature 77 comma Fahrenheit F. Fahrenheit is stand for F. Okay, so here you can see this is our function name. Okay, Okay, here I'm going to pass temperature and unit. Okay, this is the description of function. Okay, if unit equals to c means Celsius. If unit equals to Celsius, then it will return this temperature. Okay, this will convert Celsius to a Fahrenheit. Okay, if unit equals to F means Fahrenheit, it will return this. Okay, otherwise if we don't have any unit like Fahrenheit or Celsius, then it will return none. Okay, if this condition true, then it will return this. Okay, if this condition will fail, then it will check this condition. If it is correct or if it is true, then it will return this line, temperature of uh, by converting temperature to Celsius, it will give you temperature. Okay, otherwise if both of these condition will not true, then it will move here and return this, return none. Okay, now I am going to check both degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, why it is not going to run? Sometime my kernel is not working. I am going to restart it. Let's see what happening here. Is it working or not? You can see here restarting kernel. Okay, now I am going to move. Okay, after installing it we can check here. Okay, so in second example we are going to find out password strength checker. Okay, so here I'm going to write code. Okay, this is our code. This is our function define is strong password. Okay, so here I'm going to pass parameter password. Okay, this is the function description. Okay, first of all you need to check length of password. Here I need to take this strongw, sorry, pwd. I'm going to check this in input. Okay, so here you can see I have stro on it is not o, it is 0 ngpw. Okay, so here I'm going to check its length is less than 8 or greater than 8. So yes, its length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, length is not less than 8. This condition here we are going to match this condition if length of this password is greater than or less than. So it is less than, so it will return false. Okay, because length is equals to 10. Now now it is okay because length is less than 10, or result will be false. Okay, now I'm going to move another condition, this one. After this I'm going to move here if not any character dot is digit for a character in password. So I'm going to check here in this import that we have any digit. So can it contain any digit? So here you can see content digit any character dot age digit. Okay, so it is true because it has a 0. Okay, here you can see str, after str we have 0 1 0 here. Okay, so this condition will true. Okay, this condition. Now I am going to check another condition. Not any character is lower 4 character in password. Okay, then we can check here is there any lower character content this string. Okay, so yes, this string also have lower character ng wd. Okay, so we have lots of um, lower character. You have this, so this will also true, and we have t r n g w d, these are the lower character inside this. Okay, now after checking lower character I'm going to check upper character. If not any character dot is upper for character in password, so I am going to check here it is has any upper character. Yes, it has any upper character, so this will true. And upper character we have capital S or capital P. Okay, now again I move here if not any character in at the rate, dollar, percentage, quotes, sorry, brackets, plus, okay, minus, underscore, for any character in password, no. Contain special character, true, true, I have had, not, what is this? I think it is a exclamation, okay. So yes, we have this in our string. So all conditions satisfied, these are true except this one, okay. So final output will be true. So I am going to check with these inputs. First one is weak password and second one is strong password. So here, oh, a kernel is